Welcome back to a quick geometry practice. Let's find the sum of the measures of interior angles of the indicated convex polygon. The rule we'll be using is this: n-2 times 180, where n is a number of the sides of the convex polygon. Why is that? If we sketch a convex polygon, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. According to this, we can slice this into 3 triangles. So we start from one of the vertices and we connect this vertex and this vertex. And how many triangles we have? 1, 2, 3. You can use other polygons to practice. You will find out, use one of the vertices, you will always have n-2 triangles. Now, each triangle, the sum of the interior angle is 180. Therefore, we're going to times 180. That is the whole idea of this rule. Now, we can use this rule now. Hexagon. Hexagon, hex 6. Hex is 6, 6 minus 2. And then we're going to times 180. That is 4 times 180. That gives us 720 degrees for the sum of the measures of interior angles of this convex polygon. Go ahead and pause this video, see if you can solve this all by yourself. Then come back, we can check it together. Okay, this one, did you have 11 minus 2 times 180? All right, so 11 gone. I calculated I have 1620. And our 15 gone. 15 gone, did you write down 15 minus 2, open close parenthesis, times 180? Yes. All right, I have 2340. Okay, 2,340, 1,620 degrees. That is how we use this rule to find the sum of the measures of interior angles. Remember, it has to be convex polygon. All right, let us continue. Our first practice, we know the sides of the convex polygon. How many sides? Then we can use n-2 open close and times 180 to find how many degrees the sum of the measures of the interior angles. Now this time we're given the sum of the measures of interior angles of a convex polygon. We're going to find how many sides you have. All right, we're still using this formula. So let's write down the formula. We say how many sides? Minus 2 times 180 degrees equals the sum. Okay, and then this time we know the sum, so we plug it in, we substitute, we copy down the rest. Let's erase this tiny dot here and continue copy it down. You see, you're just solving a simple equation with one variable. What do you have for n? Let's pause this video, see if you have. All right, did you have n is 5? Very good. So 5, we're going to write down its name, and we call it pentagon, because pento is 5. All right, now see if you can solve this one all by yourself. I will be here waiting. Okay, did you have n-2 times 180? And put down the sum, that is 900, and divide by 180 each side. Okay, and then last step, add 2 each side, and what do you have? Did you have n is 7? Now, once you have, let's use the same color, n is 7, put in the little box, that's our answer. Once you have n is 7, we're going to write down its name. 7 is a hepta, and gone. Every one of them has a name gone. And this part is just how many sides, the number of the sides. That's it. Happy learning.